Hey there mga my loves, Capricorn. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel. So yan, napagpasensyahan niyo na yung voice ko, no? Kasi meron akong common colds eh. So yun mga babes, no? Wala tayong gender dito, Capricorn. No? So just take only what resonates with you guys. And of course, this is timeless, okay? So babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross watchers. You can flip rows if you want. And of course, just take only what resonates with you guys. Sa iba, pwedeng ito ay tapos na. Sa iba ay pwedeng nangyayari sa kasalukuyan. At sa iba naman ay pwedeng hindi pa. At isang prediction sa kanilang future. Kaya naman, let's take a look at what's gonna happen here for you guys. Mga mensaheng dapat ninyong malaman. Capricorn. So let me just think first. Okay, hi and hello new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. And the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support. So yun nga mga babes. Ano natin dito Capricorn ko. Ano bang magiging kaganapan here for you guys? Yeah. Spirits and angel guides or angel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. This is for my dear Capricorn people. This is for Capricorn. Capricorn. Tell me something about Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn, please. What this Capricorn needs to know? Ano yung mga pwede nilang i-watch out or i-look forward. So, let's see. Capricorn. Alright, so let's get the messages here for you guys. So, yeah. First energy we've got right here for you, Capricorn, is this patience. So, this is the temperance energy right here. Wait. Paysin muna natin kasi nagdilim yung phone. Okay, so hindi ko alam kung continuous ba or what. Yeah, okay. So, yeah. Ano, sorry for that commercial. So, let's keep moving. So, I do pick up right here, okay, that there is something here na gusto mo ng pagbabago about something, but you feel like it's not happening. No? Parang ikaw to na parang, ano ba to? Tagal ko nang hinihintay, or tagal ko nang gustong may pagbabagong mangyari, or matagal ko nang gusto itong mangyari. So, kailan ba ito mangyayari? So, I'm seeing that you're almost losing patience. It's like, kailan ba matatapos yung pagwe-waiting ko or paghihintay ko? So, it has something to do with the wish. This is what you want. But you feel like na parang, ano ba to? Hindi ba to for me? Or ano ba to? May mangyayari pa bang pagbabago dito? Kasi nakikita ko dito. So, let's get to know more about this one. Parang medyo niinip na kayo maghintay. Yan. But there's something positive coming here, no? But yun nga, meron ditong blockage tayong nakikita, no? So, I do pick up yun nga yung parang you are almost losing hope. You're being impatient na, no? Kasi parang feeling mo wala naman nangyayari, no? This is you parang ayaw mo naman sumuko pero parang dahil walang nangyayari, no? Parang ano ba to, suko ko na lang ba to? Or parang wag na ba akong umasa? But look at that, see? We have here right at the middle of this reading, Capricorn, the Ten of Water and the Fortune's Wheel energy. So see, there is something here happening and going on in the background. This is destiny. This is fate. Fate. No, this is destiny. This is fate. This is the universe right here, the divine working here on that particular specific blessing that you are wanting. No, see, it's already behind you. You do not see this coming. Yung iba nararamdaman nyo naman na para to sa inyo at nararamdaman nyo naman na may nangyayari dito spiritually. Like, hindi mo man ito nakikita pero nararamdaman mo that there's something changing here. Pero yun nga, no, yung iba sa inyo, because you are just human being, naiintindihan ko kayo, no, gusto nyo na parang may makitang pagbabago for you to be able na parang maka-assure or parang it's an assurance right here, no, para patuloy naman ng palataya dyan. But you know, mga mahal, one of the things that human being must learn is to believe in what they want to achieve, in what they want to receive, and in what they want to have. Ask and you shall receive. And this is what you ask. And you should believe, or you must believe, that you will receive this. Okay, so I do pick up that with the five of air energy, this is the blockage, honey. You need to fight for this thing. Okay, it's already behind you. Okay, this blessing that will create a lot of happiness for you, Capricorn, no, ay nasa likuran mo na, nasa tabi mo na, no, at makikita mo na yan, malapit na yung hinihintay mo na to see is to believe. Okay? So, whatever the case may be, there's a lot of happiness right here, and this will literally appear in your life, kung ano man tong bagay na gusto mong makamit na magdadala, no, sa'yo, na itinuturing mo na magdadala ng sobra-sobrang kaligayahan, ayan na, no? So, wag kang kumawala. Fighting lang, mga babes, no? Like, keep keep moving forward, no? Just do whatever it is that you are doing, okay? And release any doubts, okay? So, seven of air energy. Yeah, see? The messages are really standing out. These mga birds right here ay messages ni universe for you guys. So, ito ay parang confirmation, no, na pinapadalhan ka nila rito ng mensahe, no, na huwag ka rito mawalan ng pag-asa, or do not lose hope, and do not give up, no? Keep fighting for this one, because right at the center of this reading is these blessings are coming in. This is yours. Sa'yo na yan, bago mo pa yan hiningi. Okay? Sa'yo na yan, bago mo pa yan ipinagdasal at hiniling. So, kung ano man yan, ibibigay yan sa'yo. Ang pagbabago ay nandito na. Hindi mo kinakailangan na yan ay makita, no, sa pamamagitan ng iyong naked eye, kundi yan, mga babes, no, ay isang klase ng pananampalataya. Naniniwala kang yan ay para sa'yo, at ayan na, boom. Diba? So, yun yung mga babes, no. Ito hindi naman natin nakakasama ang Panginoon. Hindi natin alam, no, kung ano talaga yung kanyang itsura, no? Pero minamahal mo siya. Minamahal siya ng bawat isa sa atin. Okay? At hindi niya kinakailangan, no, na mag-appear sa harapan natin everyday, makasama siya, no, like literal na makikita physically or what, pero mahal mo siya. Diba? So parang ganun. Ang pananalig at pananampalataya mo sa Kanya, parang ganun. Okay? Manalig ka at manampalataya ka sa bagay na hinihiling mo. Isa itong bagay na gusto mo rito, pagbabago. Nakikita ko na magdadala ito ng malaking kasayahan, o hindi lang basta ngiti, kundi galak sa buhay mo. So, pinapayuhan ka ng iyong mga angels and spirit guides, no, na huwag ka ritong mag-isip ng hindi maganda or negative, at magpatuloy sa mga ginagawa mo ngayon. Okay, kung meron ka mga bagay na pina-prioritize, tuloy mo lang yan, no? At huwag ka rito mag-cling doon sa energy na parang hanggang kailan ako maghihintay, kasi mas lalo kang maghihintay dahil yun ang binubuga mong energy. See? You need to give out whatever it is na dapat bumalik sa'yo. Okay? As what I mentioned always to you guys, whatever you give out to the world, yun din yung magbabounce back to you. So, kung ito ka na naiinip kang maghintay, what will you get? Of course, the same thing. It's the reflection of what it is. Kung nire-reflect mo na, may naiinip ako, hindi ko alam kung narating pa itong bagay na ito, hindi ko alam kung para sa akin to. Yun, no? Pagkainip ang binibigay mong energy, ang pagkainip rin ang babalik sa'yo. Oo, ganun yun. Life is a mirror. That's why it is being said, no, by the mga nag-aral or sa mga studies, no, na life is a mirror and it reflects back, no, kung ano man yung binibigay at binubuga mo. Diba? So, it's the same. Diba? Pag humarap ka sa mirror, no, kung ano yung itsura mo, yun din yung nakikita mo sa salamin. So, kung binubuga mo rito, no, ang pagkainip, di pagkainip rin ang maa-attract at makukuha mo. So, let's use this as a game changer, Capricorn. Okay? Every time you feel impatient and every time you want something here to happen, change your mindset. I know it's quite challenging, but it's something here that you need to change for yourself in order for you to attract whatever it is that you want. Okay? If you want something here to happen, what you should do, diba? Do not cling to that, or do not attach na ma-attach ka ron or mag-cling ka dun sa bagay na yun. Huwag mo masyadong isipin. At magpatuloy ka lang dito, no? Keep yourself busy. Yun yun, no? and let it go. Okay? So that it will come to you. Yun. Diba? So, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na itong bagay na hinihiling mo, sobrang hinihiling mo na yan, kaya napakapit ka na rito sa chest mo. So, kung ano man yan, nakikita ko yung ibinibigay sa'yo rito, no, ni universe. Kaya naman, no, ikaw ay manatili, no, na magkaroon ng positibong mindset at pinapayuhan rito na gumawa ka ng aksyon mas patungkol dyan sa hinihiling mo. Okay? Ibig sabihin, um, keep also yourself busy, no, na may kinalaman dyan sa hinihiling mo. Okay? Ibig sabihin, gumawa ka ng mga aksyon na may kinalaman dyan sa hinihiling mo, no, yun. Okay? Para mas ipakita, no, na ibigay yan sa'yo. But do not get attached to that. Okay? Yung parang kunwari ganito, example, hinihiling mo na ma-promote ka na dyan sa pinagtatrabahuhan mo kasi tagal mo na dyan. Okay? And dito, pinapayuhan, no, para matulungan na sarili mo na ma-manifest or ma-attract mo yan sa buhay mo, yung wish mo na yan, yung hinahangad mo na yan, no, what you should do is that you need to study, no? Make yourself more qualified for that position, okay? Show the management or show the clients, the customers, if that is a business or if you're working in a company, whatever, show them what you got, okay? Show them what you got. Yan, no? Kasi you will eventually hit the spot and that is definitely yours as what I'm getting. So, take action patungkol dyan. Diba? So, if this is a person, example, and you're waiting for this person, no? Ang sagot niya, kung sasagutin ka ba niya or hindi, no? Keep yourself busy as well, but do not get attached to the outcome. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nun, alamin mo pa, gusto mo yung tao, alamin mo yung mga bagay na interesado siya. Yan, no? You can jot it down. Gusto niya pala nito. Okay. Yan, no? Mahilig pala siya sa mga ganito. Okay. Yan. So, whatever the case may be, work on your manifestations. Work on that wish or something that you desire. But at the same time, wag mo yang i-chase. Miss yan, challenging naman yun. I know because I'm also a human being. But one thing is for sure, if you keep on chasing that, like chase talaga, what will you attract? Chase rin. So you will keep on chasing and chasing. Diba? So, let this be a game changer here. Okay? So, just let it go. That desire is already in your heart. Okay? Parang dagdagan mo lang yung knowledge mo about that. Show the universe na meant ka para dyan sa hinihiling mo na yan. Diba? So, nakikita ko na ibibigay yan sa'yo. Kung ano man yan. Now, see, we have here the Queen of Water. Connect. Kumukonect naman talaga sa'yo mga angels and spirit guides because you have here different birds. Messages yan na gusto nilang iparating, no, na makinig ka sa iyong intuition, listen to them, and detach from the outcome. Keep yourself busy and make yourself happy right here. 10 of fire energy. See, you're dropping all the burdens right here. And I'm seeing you feeling light, feeling calm. There's peace in here. There's solitude. And yeah, there you go. The star. See, there's this big moon in the background. What does that mean? This is something here that you do not see coming. This is already around you. This parcel will be delivered to you anytime. No? So whatever the case may be, all of these things are already happening here. Okay? And this is meant to happen or to arrive in your life, whatever it is that you're asking the universe. Okay? So don't overthink. Keep yourself busy, okay, and detach from the outcome. Okay, ganun yun mga babes, okay? So, don't overthink and what? Trust your intuition and trust that ito ay maibibigay sa'yo. May kinalaman man yun sa pera, trabaho, recognition, business, love life, kung ano man yan, no, biyaya to, no? Na nakikita ko na hindi lang talaga magpapangiti sa'yo, kundi magdadala ng galak, no, sa puso at buhay mo. So, keep on fighting 5 of air energy kasi kahit meron ka ritong lumabas na mga kakompetensya or competitor sa bagay na hinahangad mo, Girl, guaranteed na sa'yo na talaga yan mapupunta. Girl, boy, LGBT, kung sino man yung kausap at nag-resonate rito, sa'yo na talaga yan mapupunta. Kaya kahit na meron pa rito mga magtangka, no, na makipagkompetensya sa'yo, don't lose hope, okay? And wag kang madismaya or wag kang matakot kahit na meron ka rito mga competitors because sa'yo at sa'yo ko pa rin nakikitang mapapa sa kamay or mapupunta itong bagay na ninanais mo because this is meant for you. For you alone or for you only, Capricorn. So, thank you so much, Capricorn, sa ngayong love and light